Hello students, hope you all are safe and sound at home. This is our 10th block lesson plan 3rd. So today we are going to start our 3rd class of block 10. And what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is words with OA, OE and OW sound. And keywords for today's class are jaw, bout, more, raw, slow, toe, throw. And resources for this class are content book, notebook and workbook. Agenda as usual, first we will go for the questioning part, then discussion, after then activity, then worksheet, and then we'll move for the homework part. So students, today we are going to learn and pronounce new words with the new sound. So what is our aim today? To read, write and pronounce words with the O sound. O sound spelled with different vowel tone. Means today we are going to read and write and pronounce the new words with the sound O. O sound. But spelled differently. Means different vowel tone will be used like OA, OE and OE. But the sound will be the same. Like O sound. So today we are going to read, write and pronounce these words. Student, now it is action time. Now we are going to read a story about Joe and his boat. Students, now open page number 10. Joe and his boat. Now I am going to read the story and you will repeat the story after me. And parents, please pause the video wherever needed. Students, now open your content book, page number 10. Joe and his boat. Joe rows his boat. The wind blows and blows. The boat turns as Joe rows. Joe hurts his toes. Oh no, my toe, said Joe. He drops his oar. He can row the boat no more. The boat is now slow. He can row the boat no more. The boat is now slow. Joe is scared. The boat stands still. Joe tries to move it to and fro. He can't make it go. But wait, who is that? It's Joe's friend Mo. Mo has a boat too. Joe throws a rock to Mo. Mo ties Joe's boat to his own boat. Mo pulls Joe's boat to the shore. Student, just now you have read the story. I want to ask you, are the sentences in the story complete? Yeah, right. Most of the sentences are complete. What are the naming part and telling part in each of the sentence? There are many sentences are given, and in that sentences naming part was also given and telling part was also given. For example, the wind blows and blows. For example, the wind blows and blows. What is the naming part in this sentence? The wind. It is the naming part. Blows and blows, it is the telling part. Means blows and blows, it is telling about the wind. In this sentence, he drops his oar. He is the naming part. Drops his oar, it is the telling part of the sentence. So like this, most of the sentences are complete. Who all are in the story? Right, the story is about Joe and a boat. What Joe is doing? Yes, Joe rows a boat. What happens to Joe? When Joe rows a boat and hurts his toe. Joe rows a boat and hurts his toe. Why he is scared? He is scared because he couldn't row the boat. So he is scared. Who helped him in the end? Yes, his friend Mo helped him in the end. Students, I have written some words on the board. Now what will you do? You will repeat the words with me. As I am pronouncing the word, you will pronounce the words in same way. Like zoo, boat, mo, row, slow, blow, toe, throw. Repeat this 3-4 times. Student, now it is time for analysis part. Now I am going to ask some questions to you. What is same in all the words? Right, all the words have the OE sound, means the O sound. Students, my next question is, which letters make the O sound in the words Joe, boat, slow, row, toe? Right, these letters OE, OA and OW makes the O sound, OE sound. Yes, we are getting the sound of OE sound. By these letter teams, we are getting the OE sound here. Jo, mo, to, bot, slow, blow, OW. These are the letter teams. When two letters work together, these are called letter teams. The letters OE, OA and OW make one sound. We call them a letter team. In a letter team, two letters work together to make one sound. Means we are using two letter teams OE, OA, OW, but we are getting one sound only. What is that sound? O sound. The letter team OE, OA and OW is a vowel team. Why? This W is not vowel. Why? Because these all are giving the vowel sound. Which vowel sound? O. O vowel sound. That's why we are calling them vowel team. And these are we have used here this O sound. O is zo, mo, to, bot. O A, slow, OW, blow, row. Now it's time for horse. Can you think of other ways to spell the OE sound? We can spell the OE sound in the words O, in which we are getting the O sound but E is silent. In those words we are using E at the end of the words, like rock. Rock. Here I have written rock. In this rock we are getting the O sound the same as OE sound, but here this E is silent, like hop. Again this E is silent. So this way also we can use the O sound. Some words have the just O sound. Like in the word go. Go. Here, this is also giving the OE sound. So we can use the O sound this way also. Students, now it's application time. You will do S3 on page number 12 in your workbook. It must be completed within 10 minutes. Students, now open your workbook, page number 12, S3, words with OA, OE and OW. Look at the first question now. Fill in the blanks with OE, OA or OW sound. Means you will look at the picture and then you will fill in the blanks. First picture is of bot. What will you fill here? BOAT. Next is row, ROW. So this how you will fill it. Now move to question number 2. Write one word for each of these letter teams, OE, OA and OW. Question number 3. Make sentences with any 4 words from above. You will take any of the 4 words from above questions, question number 1 and 2, and then you will make 4 sentences here. So now it is homework part. What will you do? You will do practice question 4 to 6 on page number 12 in your content book. You have to complete question number 4, 5 and 6 which is given in your content book. At last it is time for summarization part. What have we learned today? We have learnt about the O sound. We have learnt OE, OA, OW, which is giving the O sound only. To read, write and pronounce words with the O sound spelled with different vowel team. Different vowel team we have used OE, OA, OW. By using these different vowel teams, we have made the new words, we have pronounced them and we have written them, like O, Joe, ball, blow, So this how we have made new words by using different vowel team the same sound words. Student, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Be ready for next class also, and resources for your next class are only your content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.